In this video, I'm going to show you how to get AI Snapchat for free. Now, make sure that your Snapchat application is updated so you can check out on your App Store or your Play Store whether your Snapchat app is updated. Now, if it needs to be updated, you can see, or you'll be able to see there the word update. Just tap on it, and if it's updated, you can just open right away. Now go and open your profile on the upper left, and you will see there that Snapchat Plus. Now here it recommends you to pay per month or per year. However, they are offering 7-day free trial if you wanted to try and see if you like it. Good news is Snapchat is releasing its AI chatbot to everyone for free, but it's limited to some places only. Now, if it's available in your place, you can just open a new chat and you'll be able to see there my AI. Now, if it's not yet available, all we have to do is just to wait for Snapchat to update it to our account. So if this helps, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.